In this video, I'll show you how to cancel the Criterion Channel subscription on Roku. Step 1. Cancel on the Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Highlight the Criterion Channel app, but do not open it. Press the Start button to open the options menu and then select Manage Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. You can also cancel via the Roku website by going to my.roku.com and logging into your account. Navigate to Manage Your Subscriptions, then select the Criterion Channel subscription and click Unsubscribe or Cancel Subscription. Then confirm. Step 3. Cancel via other providers. If you subscribe via Apple, Amazon Prime or another platform, you need to cancel via that service's subscription management instead of through Roku. Step 4. Confirmation and access. You will retain access through the end of your current billing cycle. Look for a cancellation confirmation email to make sure the cancel was successful. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Removing the app from Roku does not cancel the subscription billing. The Criterion Channel offers a pause option if you want a temporary break. And contact Roku or Criterion Channel customer service for assistance if needed. And that is how you cancel your subscription of the Criterion Channel on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.